trace. That is what has been happening. If you look at me, you will see that I'm stressed. I've searched everywhere for her, but no trace. Nobody has seen or heard anything about Amaka. I was even coming to the palace to inform you. Thank God you're here, my prince. Thank God. Hey.
I want you to keep your ears on the ground. And do not hesitate to keep me posted if you hear anything.
Yes, my prince. I will.
I really need her body to be found, so we can be able to conduct an autopsy to know who is responsible.
Okay, my prince. But I don't agree with you. That's her body. I don't want you to talk about her body like that. Nothing will happen to my friend Amaka. She will be found and not her body. Balono. It will not be well with anybody that did this thing to my friend. Oma didn't get up. Hey, my prince, please.
Thanks. Thanks for being a nice friend to her.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll keep in touch.
Thank you, my prince. Please take it easy on yourself, Bikokwa. Oh, please.
Obuaja,
My king.
I am very, very sorry about the mishap. But I want to assure you that nothing will happen to your daughter. I know that you and your family has been suspecting me to have a hand in what happened to your daughter, but the answer is no. Just be rest assured that your daughter will come back. She's not dead.
My king, she's all I have. Both the male and female. Now I am rendered childless, and my wife can no longer conceive to be a child. Hey!
Waja, wipe your tears. Be a man. Your daughter is not dead. I will do all humanly possible to make sure that she's found.
My king, I beg to take my leave.
Send my consolation to your wife. May the gods be with you.
Obuaja, I'm coming from your house. I heard everything that happened. But I promise you I will do everything I can to make sure I find her. Just take it easy on yourself. Where is she? Where are you keeping her? Where? Don't even pretend, because I know what you are capable of doing. Did you think by killing an innocent girl would change a thing? Never. It will only culminate the situation.
You accuse me wrongly, son. The father just left you a few minutes ago to inform me of her disappearance, and that is all I know.
Liar! Liar! Don't think you can deceive me with your games. You think by killing an innocent girl will turn my attention to Princess Adugo? You think so? Never.
About. What is going on here?
Tell father to provide the girl he has abducted.
What is it talking about, and which girl?
Don't even pretend to me, mother, because I'm fully aware that you are also a part of the conspiracy. Now you listen to me. Before sunset, if Amaka is not found, hell will break loose in this palace. And as for my marriage plans with Princess Adugo, consider it terminated. You two are not above the law. You murderer. Murderer.
Have you lost your senses, Abina? You stand here to accuse me wrongly. Do you realize I'm your father, the king?
The king!
Do you realize that?
The king! The king! My fault! King! My fault! As if I care anymore. I've made my point very clear. Before sunset, if I don't get to see Amaka, trust me.
Your Highness, what is he talking about?
Talk to your son. He is tasking my patience. Talk to him.
Oga Sonny.
Didi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You want to buy something?
No, I don't want to buy anything. Oga Sonny, at least hug me.
Didi, oh, Gukwa. Oh, Gukwa. Didi,
Oga Sonny.
Hey, Didi, how are you?
I'm fine, Oga Sonny. How are you?
I'm fine. So, what brought you to my shop?
Oga Sonny, I actually came to apologize to you. Oga Sonny, please. I'm very, very sorry for what happened the last time. Honestly, I don't know what came over me. I'm not that kind of person. No. It is not that kind of person. Please forgive me.
Look, I am no longer angry. It's a normal thing to react when you are angry.
Are you sure you're not angry?
I am not angry. I'm okay. See me now.
Okay, Oga Sonny. I made special ora soup.
Didi, how do you know oral soup is my favorite?
Yes. I actually went to Mama Oyoyo's restaurant to ask her what's your favorite soup, and she told me that it's oral soup. So I made it for you with mangala.
Look, you shouldn't have gone through that stress just for me. Now, how am I?
No. Stress? It's not stress, oh. Oga Sonny, don't even say that. Anything I do for you, it's not stress at all. I do it from my heart, yes.
Didi, look, thank you very much, Dalu so dalu.
You don't need to thank me.
Let me see. Let me keep this one here. Didi. Didi, thank you very much. Look, I appreciate this.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it, Didi. Thank you.
I know you enjoy it.
Thank you.
So, what can I help you?
Oh,
I want
Didi.
to.
No. I'm good. I'm good. Yes, I'm very good.
I should not assist.
No, Didi, thank you. You've done enough now.
Okay, Oga Sonny, I'll be on my way.
Okay, oh, Didi.
Okay, in case you need anything, please call me.
I will.
Oga Sonny, please. You did not hug me. Let me go.
I come.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
Oga Sonny, bye-bye.
Oh, seems you are very hungry. So sorry about that. Gone for days without food and water. Sorry, we are only acting on instructions.
Instead of subjecting me to this kind of torture, is it not better you kill me? Just kill me, let me die.
As it be so, my princess go tell us what we go do.
Yes, we are only acting on instructions. So be patient, she will be here.
Machama, hold it there. Hold it, just hold it. Market is bad today. Calm down.
Oga Sonny, why are you behaving as if you don't know that it's Bachamalo again? I'm a Bachamalo. Oga Sonny, all the work now for hunger is striking. Oga Sonny, tell me if
why would hunger
tell me if you can.
Why would hunger kill you when you lavish all the money given to you on alcohol and smoke? I beg you.
Oga Sonny, this is the least I expected to hear from you. Oga Sonny, you're supposed to know that anytime you see me, Oga Sonny will say Bachamalo,
Bachamalo, look, you are lucky. Somebody brought food to me and I'm filled up. You know what you do? Go and get your plate, let me turn it for you.
Nah, she can't get my plate.
Go and get your plate, let me turn it for you.
She can't get my plate now. As if my house is closed. Do you think I have a house in this town? No, do I have a house?
Bachamalo,
she can't get my plate.
Bachamalo, no plate, no food.
Oga Sonny, you've changed, Joe. You've changed. This is not you that I used to know.
Bachamalo, go and get your plate.
Now come in. Please, make sure you don't share this food with anybody.
I will not go and get.
Don't share this food.
Stay there and be talking now. When you not bring your plate, I give you food. You know?
Hey! Oh, man! Oh, man!
Ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye fụ ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ arụ ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa chọrọ ogbenye ma ncha ndo ụwa dịkwa egwu karubi emesi ọ ga-adị mma na Chukwu na-enye ọkwa Chukwu kere ọgaranya ya kere ogbenye ọ dịkata njọ taa ọ ga-adịkwa mmechi onye kpara asị taa nwekwara ike ịzọ gị ndụ echi
Prince Obina, just be rest assured that I and my boys will do everything humanly possible to bring the perpetrators to book. It's an assurance.
Thank you very much. And I also want you to be aware that our meeting is a secret, as well as the operation.
It's okay, sir. I'm good.
Thank you.
Obimo sagibo nyemfuru n'anya nke mo ibu love mo sagi ko bim nacho sagi bu love mo enye mbo mo ewo onye mfuru n'anya.
Your Majesty, did you see him anywhere?
No, Your Majesty. Not even a sign of him in his room for the past 3 days.
This is strange, Akonna.
Yes, Your Majesty. Hope you are still trying his phone numbers.
His number has not been going through for a few days now.
Hey.
It's okay. Let me know if you see him or hear of his whereabouts.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I will be with the king.
Okay, Your Majesty.
But is he out of his senses? For 3 days. 3 days I've not set my eyes on my son. And his wedding plan is ongoing.
Your Highness, there is no time for discipline and principles. Is he okay wherever he is? That is what you should be asking. I think your utmost concern now should be on how and where to find my son. Go out there and find my son for me.
Your Highness, please, you have to do something fast. Our wedding is in 2 weeks. Please, Your Highness.
Guard!
Your Highness.
Summon all the royal aides and all the members of the royal cabinet to my palace immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
Out of my presence.
ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye fụ ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ ayọ ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa chọrọ
What is the meaning of this? Where is the food?
Where's my daughter? My daughter is missing. I go and I go in. There will not be any food in this house until you bring back my daughter. What kind of thing is this? Bring my child back, Biko. Bring her back. There will be peace, so. There will never be food in this house.
What am I going to do? My family is turning apart. The joys of this family has disappeared. What do I do now?
It is regrettable to know that my people I hold to high esteem cannot give account of what happens to my son and my son's whereabouts. Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Where is my son?
Your Majesty, this situation is terrible.
I don't want to know if it is terrible or not. Now search from house to house, every nook and crannies. Make sure that my son is found in 24 hours. Else, I will do what all of you will never forget in a hurry.
Your Majesty, consider it done.
Get me the commissioner of police immediately. To think that I've been the Igwe of this kingdom and nobody sees me and tremble. Rubbish!
Hello?
Give me the phone.
Let me confirm.
Get me the phone!
Sorry, sir.
Honorable Commissioner.
Igwe. Igwe, are you looking? Igwe, where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Where is my child? Where is my daughter? Where did you people keep my daughter? I need my daughter. If not, there will not be peace in this palace. And what is this mad mother of a mad girl doing here in the palace? I'm a mad woman. My daughter is a mad girl. Give me my mad daughter so that we can go back to the psychiatric hospital where we belong. If not, there will not be any peace here. There won't be peace. It is obvious you have lost your head completely. How dare you threaten the royal household? Give me my child.
Can both of you stop? Can both of you stop this rubbish? We are in the middle of a discussion about the missing prince. The least I can tolerate is this madness. Now, get out of my sight, and now! My adrenaline is gradually graduating to crescendo. Leave before I lose my temper. Leave!
That family is evil. It is obvious they are responsible for our missing son. Can't you hear her out there? It has been their house or their daughter each time our son goes missing. And they are probably hiding my son because their daughter is dead. Nothing should happen to the prince, oh. Nothing should happen to him, oh.
My king, the queen is right. I am very sure they know the whereabouts of my husband.
Yes.
They are probably doing this because of everything that has been going on. The cunning nature of a palm wine tapper like Ogu can never be underestimated.
Yes.
I think there is sense in your judgment.
Yes.
I should have thought of that. I am going to ask the guards to bring Ubuaja to my presence. If he ever has a hand in this, he will feel my wrath. He will feel my wrath.
My king, I am very certain they have a hand in this. They know the whereabouts of my husband.
Exactly.
This is getting stranger. First it was Chiamaka. Now it's her lover, the prince.
Strange is an understatement. And do you know the one that marvels me? I heard the prince is getting married to Princess Adugo. I don't understand, honestly.
I smell danger. Something is wrong somewhere. But I can't really place it. There's something.
Honestly, a lot is going on in this community that nobody can place it. Not even you.
My sister, I'm tired.
What do we do? What?
Do I know?
Hey! You!
Did I love you?
What's it gonna?
Oh, Makala, they can go away.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from me?
You keep warning me. I'm in love with you. The only thing I need from you just to love me back. Did it? Even more than one. I
can see something is wrong with you.
Hey, more than mama.
No!
Namaka, how dare you? How dare you go to the palace against my wish to create a scene? Do you want me dead too? Do you want the king to kill me? I told you I will handle it. I told
you. Indeed, you can handle it. Every day you're seated here, wallowing in pain and sorrow with your flute. Listen, Ogu, if you are a weakling, I am not. I would go out there and get my child, even if it's the last thing I would do.
Even in this one, I am saying.
I will get my child. Who is that?
Master, the king wants you in the palace.
To do what? He wants him to do what?
Let's go.
He's not going anywhere.
Hey.
He's not going.
Let's go.
Papa makana abu ideje. Kero de muke no de ifa biko.
My God, what is all this? What is all this? Oh my God. Ndidi, no. You have to tell me the truth. What is going on?
If I am not mistaken, this is almost the 7th time this guy is after us. What is happening?
Uri, why are you talking like this now? How am I supposed to know why he's chasing us? Which one is indeed I love you? How can a madman be loving me now?
Oh, we need to do something. No, we need to, even if it is reporting to the Igwe, before this guy will rape us one day. I'm tired though. I'm tired of running, Biko.
No problem. If he comes again, we'll report to the Igwe. But for now, I just want to rest. I'm tired.
Hey!
So you don't want to say the truth, so I can have a little mercy on you.
My king, I swear by the gods, I do not know where the prince is. I am equally looking for my daughter, of which you know I still have a question for the royal household over the disappearance of my daughter.
What effrontery? Oh, you don't want to cooperate with me? You want to see my wrath?
I'm sorry, my king.
Obuaja.
Oh no.
Can't you say the truth and be free?
Oh no, I am saying the truth.
You are not saying the truth. You must confess. Confess!
Obuaja.
My king.
I can see you are trying to be very, very stubborn.
Yes.
I'm going to play it the hard way with you.
Hey.
Guards! Take this thing out of my sight. Lock him up in the castration room. Give him no food, no water, until he is ready to confess.
I'm innocent.
Muzzle him out immediately.
I am innocent.
Ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye fụ ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ arụ ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa chọrọ ogbenye ma ncha Karobi emesi ọga dị mma egbula onwe gị na Chukwu na-ele ọ dịkata njọ taa
Oga Sonny now, eh? What's up, Papa Nirugi? Why are you frowning your face like this?
Ndidi, what can I do for you?
Oga Sonny, I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what happened the last time. I don't know what came over me. I overreacted. Please now, forgive me, because
I've heard you. I'm not angry again.
Thank you. Oga Sonny, I know how worried you've been. I know what you've been going through since my friend Amaka, her disappearance and everything. Everybody's worried, even me, I'm worried. That is why I came, so that we can be intimate. Look, way
stop,
now.
Stop! Is this what you came here to do?
Oga Sonny, which one is stop? I said I want us to be intimate so that we can forget about Amaka now.
Ndidi, leave me. So you came here to tell me to forget your friend, knowing fully that we are still looking for her. What is wrong with you?
I'm looking for her as well now, but you cannot dispute the fact that Chineke bought a golai bread.
Ndidi, where's your conscience?
Which conscience?
Ndidi, leave me.
Hey, Oga Sonny.
Ndidi, leave me.
Oga Sonny.
Don't let me fall, Don't let me fall.
If you fall, you fall in love with me.
Ndidi, Ndidi, leave where you're holding.
I cannot leave you. You're all mine. God has answered.
I will shout.
Ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye efu ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ arụ ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa chọrọ ogbenye ma ncha Karobi emesi ọga dị mma egwu n'onwe gị na Chukwu na-ele ọkwa Chukwu kere ọgaranya ya kere ogbenye ọ dịkata njọ taa ọ ga-adịkwa mmechi onye kpara asị taa nwekwara ike ịzọ gị ndụ echi rapụ nwa ogbenye n'echi dị ime Chineke nọkwa ya akwa ụmụ ogbenye ya ruelu gị ntị si adịọ jide obi gị aka ọgadị mma ogbenye nwere ọnụ n'ụwa ihe ọbụla o mere ọ bụrụ njọ ogbenye efu ọgaranya n'anya ọ bụrụ arụ ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa chọrọ ogbenye ma ncha ụwa dịkwa egwu kara obi emesi ọ ga-adị mma egwu n'onwe chukwu na-ele ọkwa chukwu kere ọgaranya ya kere ogbenye ọ dịkata njọ taa ọ ga-adịkwa mma echi o onye kpara asị taa nwekwara ike ịzọ gị ndụ echi rapụ nwa ogbenye n'echi dị ime ndo Chineke nọkwa ya akwa ụmụ ogbenye ya ruelu gị ntị
Okay. You, I need you to strip her naked. I mean naked. I need everything she's wearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ndidi. Amaka.
Wow. You. It's countdown to your death. But I am so sorry for you. Because you're not going to have any funeral. I am going to scatter your body around so vultures can feed on them.
Beautiful.
Now, do as she has said. Strip her naked.
We'll do that, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Didi, what did I do to you? Why are you part of this? So you're asking me, you don't know what you did to me? Okay, now I'll tell you. In your next world, I mean in your next life, don't take what does not belong to you. Don't take a man that does not belong to you, that belongs to another woman. Did you hear me? Idiot. Now, do your work. I need her bra, I need her pants, I need everything. Now, I'm waiting for you downstairs. Don't waste my time.
Welcome, Princess.
Welcome, Princess.
I hope you tortured her very well.
Yes, you can see from her body.
Didi Amaka, why did you do this to me? What have I done to you? Why did you betray our friendship, Didi Amaka?
So you know I'm your friend? Eh? Amaka. Hey! You should be ashamed of yourself. You know I am your friend, yet you don't know your boundaries. Oberia! Now let me set it right for you. In your next world, like in your next life, you learn your limits, your boundaries. You took the prince away from the princess, like you did to me and my Ogasoni. You should be ashamed of yourself. Now you open your mouth to say, Didi Amaka, you're my friend. You know I'm your friend. Yet you claim that you're the only person that is the gifted one. You're the only person that has it all, the most beautiful one. Now see where it has landed you.
Come on. It's not that serious. You know? It's just time for her to die.
Beautiful.
Die? Oh, I don't want to die.
You will die, my darling. So that when you get to hell, you enjoy the pleasure of snatching the devil from his wife.
Period. And I want to watch. Period.
Your hands in the air. You all are under arrest for the illegal abduction and threat to life of Chiamaka Ogu. Now move them. You have the right to remain silent. For whatever thing you do or say will be used against you in the court of law. Move. Now move it. Move.
Move. You two are worse than a devil. You pay for this.
No, my love. I love you.
Move it.
I did all this because of you. Don't do that.
Move.
Move
it.
I love you. I did all this because of you. My love.
Officer.
Move it.
Don't touch me.
I said you move it.
My love, please don't do. I love you. Everything is for you, baby. I love you, my friend.
True love never lies. True love never fails. No matter what it faces, true love must remain. True love never lies. True love never fails. No matter what it faces, true love must remain. What will be, will be. True love never dies. What will be, will be.
I insisted the officers keep them in custody, as well as charge them to court immediately. I wasn't missing, like every one of you believed. I promised myself that I was going to get to the bottom of Chiamaka's whereabouts. So I fled home and secretly lodged myself into a hotel because I didn't want to be discouraged by anyone. I was so lucky to have found an active officer who did extremely well, and I followed the investigation till now.
My prince, the police only did their job. Officer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my king.
Make sure you give them a deserving punishment. They must face the full weight of the law.
Is that not the sound of my father's flute? Is he here?
Honestly, I am very, very sorry for locking up an innocent man.
Father, who may that be?
Obuaja. Ogu. I'm sorry. Amaka's father right now is in the incarceration room. I did it in total ignorance. I am sorry.
What?
Oh, no.
Your Majesty.
Tell the guards to release Ogu immediately. Let him come out of the incarceration room.
Consider it done, sir.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm sorry. Obuaja.
My king.
My daughter.
Your Highness.
I am sorry for my hostility towards you.
Thank you.
I apologize on behalf of the entire royal household. Please, just name any amount of money that you want. I will pay as a compensation.
No, my king. My king, I do not need any compensation. The highest compensation is that the world have seen my innocence, and I can set my eyes on my daughter once again. Please, thank you.
Obuaja, you are indeed a noble and a principled man. May the gods protect and forever be with you.
You say, my king will be on our way, because my wife, her mother, will be in a severe emotional state by now.
No. I was going to suggest a royal feast and bath, at least for you to regain the lost strength. Both of you to regain the lost strength.
No, my king. I quite appreciate your kindness, but we need to go.
I'll just see them off.
Thank you, my king. My queen. Thank you. My daughter.
I'm sorry. I was suggesting a royal feast.
I don't want it. Officer, how were you able to do this?
My queen, I had to take an undercover disguise as a village drunkard and a lunatic just to monitor those girls. Those village girls, Amaka friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, my queen.
That is a masterful tactics. You're doing well.
Thank you, my queen.
Yes.
You know, as a secret agent, I take so many measures in disguise just to catch the culprit. Take note of that.
You're right. You're right. I'm so grateful. Yes, and I will tell the king to reward you handsomely.
Thank you very much, my queen.
You're welcome.
My queen, another important thing is this. Please, tell the king to close down the cell in his palace. If anybody offends, let the person be arrested. Probably send the person to court instead of taking laws into his hands. Next time this happens, we'll be left with no choice than to arrest him.
Thank you so much. I will tell the king immediately to destroy the royal cell.
It's very important.
Yes, I will tell him.
It's okay, my queen.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm going to take my leave now.
You can. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
True love never lies. True love never fails. No matter what it faces, true love must remain. True love never lies.
Mama!
True
Mama, where have you been? Where have you been? What happened to you? Where have you been? Where have you been? The mom, what happened?
Let her go and change into something. She should go and take her bath.
No. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's not about class, not about qualification. The strength of love is unbreakable.
Prince, my work is done here. I have to be on my way now.
Not so fast. I have something I want to show you.
Really?
Come with me.
No, my prince, I prefer to wait for you here. I like the fresh air.
What if you insist? I'll be right back.
I'll be waiting. My prince, what is it you want to show me? I can't see anything.
Chiamaka, I've been to so many different places and I've met with so many different people. I've been in some relationship, but I must confess that there was something different about you. Something that makes me always want to be around you. It's like a force. But I do know it is love. I intend to keep it. Chiamaka, please, will you marry me? Please.
Son, what are you doing? How dare you kneel before this thing? How dare you ridicule yourself and entire royal household before this garbage? Now follow me immediately. Follow me inside immediately. After me.
Your Highness, I might not know much about life, but I know that love is priceless. I know that true love is a gift of nature. I have neither silver nor gold, but I know that true love is more precious than all the treasures of the earth. I am poor. I came from a very poor background. I am not royalty. But I equally know that love is beyond class, status, and affluence. Your Highness, I cannot betray my emotions. My love for Prince Obinna is priceless. With all due respect, my king, your money cannot buy my love. Your Highness.
With all due respect is another form of disrespect. I've been trying to listen to you, thinking you're going to make sense. But no, you are stubborn as your father. You left me with no other option than to make it severe for you and unfortunately my son too.